and welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today I'm going to have a look at the recording limit on the X-T30, and it does relate to the X-T3 as well. Now on the X-T30 you have got a 10-minute recording limit, mainly to do with overheating, but it's also to do with attacks on cameras. So when it hits 10 minutes, obviously it stops recording, and yes, you can carry on. But if you add an external recording unit like a Ninja V or something like that, then you can bypass that recording limit. So you connect up your external recorder, set your camera up, hit record on the external recorder, and it will record endlessly until the memory is full on the recorder or the battery goes flat. But there's a couple of settings in the camera that there's no mention of in relation to recording limits in the owner's manual. So I just wanted to check what they actually do. So let's just have a look at the actual settings I'm on about. We'll set it up and we'll give it a go. So let's have a look. We'll come up to the movie position on the menu, go to HDMI 4K movie output. And if you go on there, you've got a number of settings. You can have 4K going to the internal card and out HDMI, 4K to the card, full HD to HDMI out. You can have full HD to the card or 4K out, or the last one, which is nothing to the internal but 4K out to the HDMI. Now what I wanted to know is there still a 10-minute recording limit on that? So we'll put it on that setting and we'll come out. And as you can see, we've got no timer on the top showing how long we've got on the SD card, because it's not going to record to the SD card. But is it going to stop at 10 minutes? So what I'm going to do is hit record on the camera. It's being recorded to an external recorder, and you can see it. I've got the overlay as well. I've got an iPad with a timer on, so we'll stick that on, set it off, come back in 10 minutes. So let's hit record. 3, 2, 1. Hit. So this is off. And as you can see on the screen, we've got the red flashing record button. So we'll just allow that to carry on recording. Right, so we're back, and we've been going for 11 minutes and it's still recording. A little red light is still flashing and we're recording. So if you set the camera to not record internally and only send the signal out the HDMI, when you press record on the actual camera and set it to actually record as if you were doing it to the card, there is no limit, so you can go past the 10 minutes. I would say it's exactly the same on the X-T3 because it's the same menu. So just a quick look at that to see if that's of interest to anyone. So that's my look at the settings for sending the signal out to the HDMI and whether it has a recording limit or not when pressing record on the camera. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified, hit that bell button. Till next time, see you later.